Slime Rancher 2. Literally, I'm not capping, one of my favorite games to ever exist in history at this current time. This game right here, it's even in pre-release, and I don't care about that. This game right here is a GOAT. Better. It's better than Minecraft. After a long day of slime ranching, Beatrix Leah Bew was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sunset across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat arrived at her dock, with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. Yappa yappa boo boo boo. You have explored the far range, from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the furthest reaches of the perilous, yes, I'm stupid, glass desert. But there are worlds yet uncharted, Beatrix Leabew. Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. Beatrix excitedly boarded the boat. Beatrix excitedly boarded the board, and it took her across the slime sea. Eventually, she saw an island unlike anything on the far range. I swear to God, mountains, trees, grasses, all in an array of colors that dance and move like a dream. As she explored, she found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need to wrangle slimes, start a farm, and build gadgets. And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, and set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. This is going to be the greatest day of my life. I am not kidding. Guys, this is actually, and look at this, we got a slime guy. Now, I have played the first game, but I haven't actually made like a whole series on it, so I'll have to do that, you know, maybe some other day. Why'd she do that with her hands? She just did some sort of majestic magic, I don't know. But yeah, basically. Ooh, got carrots, cucumbers. JK, we don't have any cucumbers. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many times I've oh, look at him. Oh, Gucci goo. We got the poop. Yes, this is poop. Boom. Now we're rich. Dude, it's why have a job? Why have a job? Just collect some monkey. Just collect doo-doo and sell it for free money. Like, actually, bro. Guys, let's go explore. What are you? Accessing gg.log. Well, here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to all their original scouting locations. Once I confirm Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. This place, ... I still remember being in awe of these rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. And I guess in a way it was, because it ended much too soon. Oh, that's sad. Alright, someone eat me. I need to eat someone. Give me a plate. Give me a plant. You know, I'm just gonna take, yeah. This is honestly crazy. Hot? Who? What? Oh, Doctor, who? Comm station? Yeah, whatever. 1, 2. Here. Boom. Yapping. Stop yap. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to kill you. See you later. I feel bad. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Kill yourself. Hey, eat it. Eat. Bonk. Good girl. Hey, ho, time to let go. Hey, ho, time to let go. Oh, hey, ho, time to let go. Guys, y'all like my legs? My legs look pretty cool. I don't know about you, but my legs look fire. Bam, boop. Garden. Gimme. Thank you. You are a goat. Honestly, actually. Oh, wait a minute. I have to put the thing in here. Bonk. What the bonk. Okay, let's check out this. Oh, Victor. Vector. What the hell? Is that Vector? Is that Vector from Despicable Me? Hello? Beatrix, do you read me? Testing. Perhaps you are lost at sea, taken away by that mysterious boat, never to be. Oops. Nope. Jim forgot to turn the display on. You didn't have to cut me off. And while I'm quite excited for you to partake in a new adventure, I already have data that might complicate things. Last night, I received a message from some sort of artificial intelligence program. It's written in code, but not one I recognize. I'm in the process of analyzing it. But I am certain that this message was sent from where you are now, the mysterious Rainbow Island. So to recap, a mysterious boat takes you to a mysterious island, and I receive a mysterious code from said mysterious island. It all seems quite curious. Well, I've got to go to work to do, and you best get to exploring. Oh, I forgot. Take this home portal. It should make the early stages of your journey easier. Hey, nice. Take care, Beatrice. We'll be in touch. Hey, Okay, guys, I'm gonna go sleep because I need to go to sleep. Yeah. Let's sleep for 6 hours. No, let's sleep until... Oh wait, you can do that now? I didn't know that. You can only just sleep in the original game. Cool. I like that. That's a good idea. Sir? What are you doing? Stop, Ethan! I'm gonna kill you. We have 17 Gimme. Boop. Boop. Ooh. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, guys, watch this. Trick shot. Damn it. Trick shot. Ready? Ready? Oh, guys, I did it. I did it. I did it. That was first try. First try. First try. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Stop doing that weird thing with your hand. Stop going. Actually, you can't see. Never mind. Guys, we need to. Hey, stop. What are you doing? You're stop doing that. You're being. Okay, I think my backpack can like put you into freaking heaven. That was crazy, honestly. Okay. Hey, haha, you're a loser. Oh, this game is so. I love this game, honestly. Cannot be a cool game. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna leave the video here. Hope you had a great time watching this video, and I hope this video was great in general. Love you guys.